Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact YouTube video and signing in if you need creator access. Once there, scan below the video for the description panel and click Show More to expand content. If you need hidden or dynamically loaded links, open your browser DevTools, F12, or use View Source. This shows raw HTML. Make sure to keep the player paused while you work so the page doesn't jump. And position panels, so you can read both video and code simultaneously. Once the description is visible, scan for HTTP or HTTPS to jump directly to links. Use Ctrl+F to speed this. For any suspect or shortened link, right-click it and choose Inspect to highlight the exact DOM element and attributes. Look at href values to reveal redirectors, UTM parameters, or affiliate ID so you understand destinations and tracking. If the link is obfuscated with a shortener, open it in a new private tab to preview the target without passing cookies or session data. Finally, verify targets by opening links in a private or incognito window so you can safely confirm the final landing page and spot redirects. If a URL is shortened, use a URL expander or preview tool to reveal the full destination before visiting. If links are missing or truncated, make sure the creator's description is fully expanded. If still absent, use the YouTube Data API or the page source to pull the description text. Troubleshooting tip: if links load incorrectly, clear cache or test another browser to rule out extension interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.